Hi friends, welcome to Zia Digital Classes. In this video, we are going to understand about the pillars of e-commerce. So what are the pillars of e-commerce? What exactly is e-commerce? Let us once again we understand what is e-commerce. E-commerce is the electronic business or online business where the business or the exchange of goods and services will be taken place on the electronic platform with the help of internet. That is e-commerce. So e-commerce comprises both business to business and business to customer. That is B2B and B2C. So electronic commerce also helps in marketing, servicing as well as delivery and payment of products through internet. So electronic commerce will help us not only for the purchase of the goods, and also it will help in many ways to the business, like promoting the business or expanding the business. So it will help in all the means. Now in this video we are going to discuss about the pillars. So let us see what are the pillars of e-commerce. So pillars of e-commerce are three. That is electronic transmission mediums to engage in the exchange, including buying and selling of products and services. The three pillars of e-commerce are electronic information, electronic relation and electronic transactions. So let us see what is each. Electronic information. Information is very important. Information helps us in judging and making decisions. So electronic information is information given through electronic media. That is, electronic information is similar to virtual information space. So this pillar about storing the information. So this pillar is about storing the information. It is constructed by assigning the information in such a way that it is easy understood by the users. So it is very important to put the information in proper order to understand. So if the information in the raw form, we cannot understand. If the information should be in an order or in a properly arranged, where it facilitates to understand easily. So electronic information will be constructed in such a form where it is easy to understand by the users. So the rules need to follow in the construction of this pillar are: one is content must be web readable format. So whatever content used in the information, it should be in the web readable format. Then the web page containing the required information should not hang up. So we have to take care that the information whatever is provided in that, it should not hang up. Then links provided in the web page must navigate to correct location. So once the links are provided, we have to see that the link will be navigating to the correct location. The user must easily find the necessary information. So until unless these rules are followed, the purpose will not be achieved with the electronic information. Then coming to electronic relationship. So in the first pillar, it provides the information in the easy and understandable way after following all the rules. Here in this pillar, it helps us specifying the way of constructing the website. So electronic relationship will help us in specifying the way of construction of the website such that the user viewing the website must revisit the same site in positive manner. Until unless it is easy to visit a website, we cannot revisit that website. So for making it revisit, it has to be done in a proper way, in a specific way. So this pillar concentrates establishing relationship with the user in the electronic form. So first pillar maintains about the information. This pillar maintains about the relationship with the user. Then the website consists of the following features. The website must be innovative, must contain certain new features. Until unless you don't give the unique information, that is new information or new procedure or whatever it is, we will not be interested to visit the website. So the website must be innovative and must contain new features which attracts the users. So the website must create forms for enabling the user to provide their valuable feedback. It also should facilitate to give the valuable feedback or provide the valuable feedback. Then this website must provide information that includes interaction facility. So it should also provide the information to include the interaction facility, which is very, very important. Then the third pillar talks about electronic transaction. What exactly is a transaction? Transaction is an event or an activity whenever taking place. We call it as a transaction. Some transactions will be related to the monetary, some transactions related to the non-monetary. Here we are saying it as electronic transaction. So electronic transaction is a pillar similar to virtual transactions, that is space, and also encompasses virtual distribution space, that which is goes in a, not exactly in the physical platform, it will be done in the virtual platform. So the electronic transaction pillar specifies the following two criteria. One is ability to engage meaningful and sufficient negotiation process. So that should accommodate for meaningful and sufficient negotiation process. And the second one, ability to provide security of the transaction data, which is very, very important, because nowadays there are a lot of scope is there where the frauds are taking place, hacking of the information is going on. So this pillar should take care of those things and protect about the security, that is provide security for the transaction data. So these are about the pillars, three pillars of e-commerce, and the questions expected are: discuss the three pillars of e-commerce. What are the three pillars of e-commerce? Anyway, the question can be put. So we again have to write according to the given question. If it is given in the short, you need to write maybe one of the pillar may be given for the short. We need to describe depending on the nature. If it is short, we need to write accordingly, and if it is given long, you have to write all the three pillars. Hope this video is helpful in understanding about the three pillars of e-commerce. Thank you.